Hi, I'm Janine. A business owner, a mommy of two. Yes, I just had my second, so I'm still in my postpartum era. But yes, I'm talking a little low because I am at a co-working space today. I got something in the mail and I just want to share because I spent my coins and I got the so it didn't set up. It did not set up. And I got the Salt and Stone collection of body mist. Body mist. Yes, body mist. And I am so excited. Y'all, I need y'all to understand, when these came in, I wanted to open them last night. But I was like, I'm going to wait and I'm going to do an unboxing. We're not going to talk about the nails. We're not going to talk about the nails. We're getting them done. We're going to get them done. They will be done. But even if they aren't done, that's another thing. I think we live in a culture now where everything has to be done. Everything has to be put together. No makeup. You want to know why? Because I've been up since 5 a.m. getting kids ready to go where they need to go. Get kids off to school. Lunch is made. Breakfast made. No nails. You want to know why? Because I'm in between. I'm in between taking a set off and getting another set put on. So I should not have to excuse myself for my nails. So moving forward, if you see dry hands, you just see dry hands. Okay? So we have the Rose Noir and Oud, Santal and Vetiver, and the Bergamot and Hinoki. I don't know. But I'm so excited. I should have bought something up here to open them with. I should have bought something up. This sunlight though, this is the sunrise. I want y'all to know. And this seat is actually really cute. Very, very cute. But I don't sit up here. I stay close to the coffee. Okay. But anyhow, let's open these up. I'm sorry about that. I can smell them through the box. Wait a minute. I thought that's what I smelled. Something smells really good. Like a really expensive hand wash is what I was thinking. Really expensive hand wash. Okay. Let's see. The whiff I'm getting off of this black box. Black Rose and Oud. Okay, so the first one, Black Oud. Wait a minute, Rose Noir and Oud. I'm just making up stuff. She's so pretty. I don't even know where to spray because, like, if I spray them on myself, let's just get wild, okay? Let's get wild. We'll spray this one here. Oh, that's expensive smelling. This, okay, Black Rose and Oud. Okay, that smells like an expensive hotel. I keep seeing people review it. It's like, it smells like an expensive hotel, and I'm like, I've smelled. Okay, who wants to smell like one? I do. Now I want to smell like an expensive hotel because, wow, I'm probably going to spray some of that on today. And I already have on perfume. Just being honest. That one is the, it's got a rose floral scent, but a smoky undertone. It's like a fire, burnt wood, and rose. That's good. Rose Noir and Oud. Very, very good. I would give that out of 10. It hasn't completely dried down, but off of the initial smell, I'd give it a strong 9 out of 10. Strong 9 out of 10. It's saying a lot. The next one is Santal and Vetiver. I'm a vetiver girl. Vetiver, the original scent, just pure vetiver, smells like dirt. But for some reason, I like that smell. I don't know why, but it's very earthy, smells like soil. But when you mix it well, vetiver can smell amazing. And I love the scent of vetiver. So, and I've had a few things that have said vetiver, but it'll pull all the fruit and the florals, unfortunately, and I get no dirt, I get no earth, I get no vetiver. So I'm hoping that the Santal and vetiver is giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Okay. She's cute. She's cute. But this pulls more Santal. Definitely more Santal. That Le Labo Santal. I actually have a funny story with Le Labo. I'll make it really, really quick. My partner bought me Le Labo Santal 3323, whatever it's called. And I knew I was going to love it. I just knew I was going to love it. All the girlies loved it. And sure enough, I sprayed it on. And we returned it. I returned it. It was just not for me. I tried it so many different times, and for some reason, I couldn't get with it. And so I ended up getting another 13, and then later went on to get the Lee's 41. But another 13? Yes, absolutely. Yes, very fresh, very good, very unisex. But the Santal didn't work for me. This one pulls very Santal, and what I will say is I love Santal as a home fragrance, candles, diffusers. I love Santal as a home fragrance. It's actually the smell in my home right now in this air diffuser thing that I bought. I don't know about this one. I can't give this one as strong as the Rose Noir and Oud. It's smoky like a mezcal drink, but the floral of the rose is just so good. This one is cute. She's okay. And maybe just because it's on me, it's a little bit more medicinal, and I need to give this another try because I do have on other stuff, a body oil. And so maybe I do need to give this another good try, but so far, I'm going to give it a 6.5 out of 10. Sorry. It was okay. It was all right. My breakfast is waiting on me. Okay, last one is, oh no, I didn't mean to break it. The Bergamot and Hinoki. Trying to teach my child how to read, and I can't pronounce this. Cute. Oh yeah. I knew she was going to be a friend of mine because one of my other favorite notes is bergamot. I could just wear pure bergamot, just fresh bergamot. It is so fresh, but has this poignant goodness. I don't know what that is, but bergamot just smells amazing. So I knew when I saw this and the first word was bergamot, I was going to love it. Oh yeah. Another expensive hotel. But it smells so good, y'all. This smells amazing. Bergamot and Hinoki. If someone could explain, sunlight sparkles on the softly rolling waves, a deep breath awakens, energizes, lifts, plunge into the depths of eucalyptus and orange blossom, earthy vetiver, and amber warm, the lingering crisp bergamot and sharp grapefruit punctuate a fresh start, a new day. Okay, Italian bergamot, grapefruit, hinoki, vetiver, eucalyptus, amber, orange blossom. I'm getting more vetiver in this than I'm getting in the Santal vetiver. It's very interesting. Let's see what the middle note for this one is. This one is Australian sandalwood, amber, words I will not even try, orris, cedar, violet leaves, vetiver, and crystal. So the vetiver is in the base note, and this one is in the mid. And I'm definitely getting more vetiver in this. She's cute. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna even lie. I would put these two on together. The bergamot and the rose. Oud. I would, oh yeah. This is so light and fresh. Now these are body mist. They're not All Day Perfume. They are just body mist, so they're meant to be worn maybe fresh out of the shower, but they are meant to be layered. So you spray it on and then you go in with your heavier perfume, and they're supposed to blend very, very well. So you are supposed to find a scent that works well with your body chemistry. I didn't know because these are blind purchases, so I got all three. And I mean, oh yeah, I didn't rate this one. This one I would definitely give another strong 9 out of 10. This smells extremely good. Very different from the Rose Noir. But if I were to put them in any order, 1, 2, and 3. And I really thought it would be like this. And it's, this girl came flying out of nowhere. So good. So, listen. So good. I actually like look forward to spraying her. And she's so rich that honestly you could probably wear this without layering it with another perfume. But from what I thought I read, they are meant to be layered. I don't know, but yeah, so definitely Rose first, then the Bergamot, then the Santal would be third. But yeah, I got all three, so you didn't have to. Let me tell you, would I say, are they worth the purchase? Yes. I'm not very big on blind buying fragrances, but I do believe because they are so light and they're meant to just be sprayed on as a body mist, you really can't go wrong. They do have some other scents I want to try, but I was already racking up a coin on these, okay? A coin on these. I'll put here how much the original price of these cost. I did catch them on a Black Friday, and so I did get a little pinch off. But yeah, if you're gonna blind buy something that is a body mist, I would go for these. I would give them definitely mama approved. Okay, so that's it. That's it for my unboxing. I want to take my little expensive body sprays, throw them in my purse, and get to work. So I will talk to you next time. Until the next unboxing. Bye.